going to assemble the bumper and the brass tab onto our eraser. So to do this, what I'm going to do is go up to the eye, click open, and then I want to find my vehicle that I've been working on. And here I have the body, the fin, spoiler, and I want to open that up. Once that's open, then I want to go to place, and I want to bring in the brass tab. So I want to open up this brass tab, and now I want to orient it so that it's facing down. So I'm going to rotate this on the x-axis. And now what I'm going to do is place it. Once I have that in, what I'm going to do is I want to place this so that it's in the center of the vehicle. So to do that, I'm going to click on my constraint. The first thing I'm going to do is take and I want to bring the bottom part of the tab to the top of the vehicle. So I'm going to use my make command, and I want to select the bottom of the brass tab to the top of the car, and then hit apply. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another make command, and what I want to do is take and mate the front of this brass tab to this edge. And then if we look at it, what happens is that's looking like it's mated. Except what I want to do now is I want to offset this 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to offset it, set it 3/8 of an inch, which is 0.3. Oops. And that appears as if it took. And now let's looking at it. What I have is I have this, so it's off the front. And then the last thing I want to do is I want to take and I want to mate, again, this face here right to this face, except what I'm going to do with that is I want it to be offset, looking straight at it, I want it to be offset 1.5 inches because I want it in the center of the vehicle. So remember the width of our body is 3 inches. So I want to take half of 3 inches, and that's 1.5 inches, and apply it. Now what we see is that is right in the middle of the vehicle. Okay, so looking at this, here's our brass tab. Alright, so now that I have that taken care of, what I want to do is I want to place my bumper. So I'm going to go in, find my bumper in my folder. Here it is. And I want to open that up. Before I place it, I want to get it oriented properly. So I rotated it once on the Y, and then I'm rotating it on the X. There we go. So now my orientation looks good. And then say OK. So for this part, the first thing I'm going to do is I want to constrain. I want to constrain this face to the face of the vehicle, right? Then apply it. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to flush. I want to flush this face right to this face, and then click apply. Let's take a look. My last constraint, I want to mate, and I want to mate the front edge. So you hover over until you just get that edge, and then this edge, and then you apply it. So right now, we have that all locked in. So if we take a look at it, take a look at the bottom, we have that all together as one piece. Okay, so that's how you do the brass tab and the front bumper. Good luck.